Flashing fire engines. Big, bold fire engines, waiting day and night, ready for a rescue or a blazing fire to fight. As soon as there's a fire alarm, the engine starts to roar. The firefighters jump aboard at Rumbo's outdoor. Watch the engine speeding on its daring dash. Hear its siren screaming, see its bright lights flash. And helmet, fireproof pants and jacket, boots so big and strong. The crew is dressed and ready as the engine zooms along. When the engine finds the fire, it quickly pulls up near. The crew jumps out, unrolls the hose, and gets out all the gear. The hose points up its nozzle and shoots a jet of spray. It squirts right at the blazing flames and sizzles them away. The water tank is empty soon, so where can more be found? The engine's pump can pull it up from pipes below the ground. Whoosh! The fire is hot and roaring. It makes a lot of smoke. The firefighters put on masks, otherwise they'd choke. The ladder rises upward. It reaches for the sky. A fire engine's ladder stretches up so very high. Sometimes there's a platform right up at the top. It waits beside the window, then into it you hop. At last, the fire is extinguished. The flames are all put out. Lower the ladder, roll the hose. Hooray! The fire crew shouts. Back inside the station, the crew can take a break. But the fire engine's ready and is waiting wide awake. The end.